Welcome students. Myself Deepin Sharma, lecturer Instrumentation Engineering, Government Polytechnic College Kota. Control System Components IE 208. DC सर्वो मोटर्स। आज हम DC सर्वो मोटर्स के बारे में जानेंगे। फर्स्ट टॉपिक, कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड वर्किंग ऑफ DC सर्वो मोटर्स। DC servo motor. DC servo motors are used for providing fast torque response and are also known as permanent magnet DC motors or separately excited DC motors. The reason behind providing fast torque response is because of the torque and flux are decoupled. Thus, a small variation in the armature voltage or current can produce a notable shift in the position or speed of the shaft. DC servos are most used servo motors among all the types. There are different types of DC motors such as shunt wound DC motors, series DC motor, separately excited DC motor, permanent magnet DC motor, brushless DC motors, etc. Among all mainly separately excited DC motors, permanent magnet DC motors and brushless DC motors are used as servo. DC servo motors classified as separately excited DC motor, permanent magnet DC motor and brushless DC motor. Construction and working of DC servo motors. Construction of servo motors. The servo motor is DC motors which has 5 following parts: stator winding, rotor windings, bearing, shaft and cotters. Stator winding. This type of winding wound on the stationary part of the motor. It is also known as field winding of the motor. Rotor winding. This type of winding wound on the rotating part of the motor. It is also known as an armature winding of the motor. Bearing. These are of two types, that is front bearing and back bearing, which are used for the movement of the shaft. The armature winding is coupled on the iron rod is known as the shaft of the motor. And cotter, it has the approximate sensor which determines the rotational speed of the motor and revolution per minute of the motor. Next है separately excited DC motors. DC motors कुछ इस तरह से होती है, जिसके अंदर ये आपका फील्ड वाइंडिंग, ये आर्मेचर, इसमें फील्ड वाइंडिंग सेपरेटली एक्साइटेड है. The motors which are utilized as DC servo motors generally have separate DC source for field windings and armature winding. The control can be achieved either by controlling the field current or armature current. Field control has some specific advantage over armature control, and on the other hand, armature control has also some specific advantage over field control. Which type of control should be applied to the DC servo motors is being decided depending upon its specific application. Let's discuss DC servo motors working principle for field control and armature control one by one. Field control DC servo motors. The figure shows the systematic diagram for a field controlled DC servo motors. In this arrangement, the field of DC motor is excited by the amplified error signal and armature winding is energized by a constant current source. Armature controlled DC servo motors. In this, an armature controlled DC servo motor, here the armature is energized by amplifier error signal and field is excited by a constant current source. The DC servo motors can be controlled from armature side or from field. In field controlled DC servo motors, the ratio of LR is large, that is the time constant for field circuit is large. Due to large time constant, the response is slow and therefore they are not commonly used. The speed of the motor can be controlled by adjusting the voltage applied to the armature. In armature controlled DC servo motors, the time constant is small and hence the response is fast. The efficiency is better than the field controlled motor. Permanent magnet DC servo motors. Field control is not possible in the case of permanent magnet DC motors as the field is a permanent magnet. Here DC servo motors working principle is that case is similar to that of armature control motor. Thanks.